Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can withdraw funds from your Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your app and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you need to tap on the option of your portfolio where you are going to see the information about your portfolio. So over here, if you want to sell any of your shares, you can just simply do that and make sure that you have the funds available in pounds over here. So what you need to do is you need to simply just tap on the funds and tap on the option of withdraw. Now after selecting the withdraw option, you just have to simply select the bank account or the account in which you want to basically get it. Now you just have to enter the amount of funds that you want to withdraw and review your details and confirm your withdrawal. Now once your withdrawal is successful from the side of Trading 212 application, you are going to receive them within 3 business days, or sometimes you can also receive them inside your bank account instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.